Yo, what's poppin'? It is your boy TJ. Welcome back to TJFX Shorts, guys. Before I start this video, subscribe right now, hit that bell, and also like the content. But seriously, subscribe, hit that bell, because all my VIP trades that I will upload on this channel. We're gonna grow it to the fucking moon. Like, gold's going to go to 1848 some stage within the next few months. But ladies and boys, girls, we have got gold shorts on VIP right now. I called it at 1745 entry. We're now running plus 50 pips at the moment. It's actually a 20 pip SL and also a 200 pip take profit. So it's a 10 to 1 risk reward. Risk 1%, return will be 10%. Now, I'm going to show you this in the basic sort of context that I could actually explain it to you guys. And then I'm going to go into the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to actually tell you why you need to get entry. You know, you could have got entry at 1750, could have got entry at 1747, but I was just waiting for serious confirmations, and then I just got the shorts on gold when it absolutely plummeted. But now, if I actually show you the 15 minutes, right, this is all about the entry. So we've seen Tokyo price come all the way down to 1618. Now 1618. If I go on the 1 hour just to not confuse things, look what happened at 1618 on my chart. It's a big fat support, you know. This is when we tested here, 1680, 1678. Do you remember on the dailies? And it went all the way from here to about 1917, if I can remember correctly, which I am correct. And this is another thing why about trading gold, guys. I knew that shit, and I haven't even like looked through the charts. I just know when it went to this stage here at 1618, 1678, we actually caught buys. This was in April, but you know, it made highs at 1917. We've come down to all the way to retest, and if you actually see here, this fat pullback, this wick out at 1715, which is a banking level, you know, we've touched here exactly, and now I believe that we're going to go shorts all the way on the 1 hour to 1722, but take profits at 1725. 1722 is like the big push up on the previous highs here. It should easily go down to 1725, 1722 to then go to buys. But it will be interesting to see, like hand on heart, interesting to see if it does come down to 1725 and then go long from 1725, which is what I'm actually thinking. I think it's just going to have a little pullback because obviously, you know, it's moved like 300 plus pips. And then when looking at the entry on these sells, right, because I really do think gold's going to go all the way back up to like 2000s. But as I said, this wick out here, 1715, and if you look here on the 15-minute time frame, you see this consolidation where, you know, it's wicked out, and we would count this as a wick out effect. Price can never fail ever since it wicked out. Look at that. Right here. It's so simple, you know, this is so simple stuff. How many times did gold try to go up and then it couldn't go up? Look, it went up, wicked out, can't break, can't break, can't break, get your sells, bang. You see that? And that's how, like, it's called like the wick out effect on gold. It's like it's wicked out, it's come back, 1, 2, 3, can't break, push down below to the bearish downside to then, you know, obviously go hopefully to our take profit at 1725. Look for buys at 1720, 1722 to then, you know, go long all the way to like, I don't know, 1800s plus. You know, I reckon we'll go all the way back up here, all the way to 1917 easy at some point. Obviously, it's a lot of gold moves to be done, but last time we touched 1618, 1678, there weren't a lot of bearish, you know, it just continued all the way to 1917. And that's the same with this trade, you know. I looked on a 15-minute from the entries, the 1 hour looks good. We're looking for gold just to completely sell off, not respect here, completely sell off, go down to about 1722, 1725, sorry, and then, yeah, get our buyers around here. So fingers crossed, this actually works out, but of course, sniper entry, SL's at entry now for a break-even trade. If it doesn't go that way, but we've already touched here once at 1744 and then touched again at 1744 again, but then sold off. So we're just looking for it just to continue to sell off, continue that sell momentum, and yeah, it's a nice trade, you know. Let's be honest, we're all in profit, we're vibing, we're chilling, and yeah, if it hits take profit, it's an easy 10% to start the week off on a Monday, where you know, we're going to catch the buys and probably make like another 10-20% this month. So if you are new, subscribe, like the video, join the VIP, link in description. Click that bot/start. VIP prices will start going up. We're at nearly 400 members. I said last month, we calculated it was about 120% last month profited from 1% risk on each take profit. But yeah, it's been insane. Much love and the support. I appreciate all of you guys. Let's eat some money. Let's eat some pips. And let's catch these sales. And if this goes back to break even, then what will happen is we'll just look for another entry, and then we'll know that ball on gold, and yeah, we can just go from there. But it's all about having all these different concepts, all these different things to do with gold, knowing where it's going to push to, knowing where it's going to sell to, loads of confirmations. You know, you don't just enter a trade for no reason. You got to take it slow with trading. You got to hit your trades. You know what I mean? Like, even if your trade closes at break even, if it's dropped 50 plus pips, you know, you could take the 2.5% profit there. But even still, you know, at least your trade's running profit. Imagine if you had 100 lots on the trade and it goes plus 50 pips. You're making bank. You don't want to be in drawdown, especially with like FTMO accounts, Fund Intent accounts, all them prop firms. You don't want drawdown. Drawdown kills you. And that's something that I heavily depend on, not getting any drawdown, getting them snipe entries. So everyone's straight into profit, move that SL to entry after 20 pips, and then we can vibe until the next trade or until it hits take profit or whatever. But yeah, take it easy. Hope that helps with entries and all that good sort of shit. But yeah, I actually love you guys. Let's go, baby.